Okay, this year with a lot of the big improvements we made to our fifth wheel, we wanted to make it feel more like at home. Make sure that you're never out there and you can cook bigger meals and enjoy the benefits of being out and still feel like you're at home. So one of the big things we added was a nice oven. It's a stainless steel oven. It adds three burners to it, so you can cook more. Previously we just had two. Just a little bit how to use it is when there's a light indicator here, you'll just push in and hold in that knob, and then the spark is right here. Kind of like your gas grill a little bit, but you do have to push that knob in and hold it. On this particular unit, we don't have the gas set up. It's just one of the new units from the floor. You do have a nice little light function for inside the oven, but you can open that up, set up to cook up a pizza, cookie sheets, all that. There is a manual. You want to read through that and make sure you get through all the safety features, but it's a beautiful stainless steel oven. And the nice thing is you can put this lid back down, and it's nice extra countertop space.